Welcome to the My Two Good Hands videos on the redo of our hall bath. So we're going to show you how to do tile, we're going to show you how to do the hardboard, remove a sink, install a sink, remove a toilet, install a toilet, remove a door, install a door, cut off the door, do baseboard and trim. Stay tuned, watch the whole series. Each video is broke up on the channel. We'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video. We're in a little bitty room. We're in the hall bathroom. So hey, sit back and relax. We're going to show you how we're going to make over the entire bathroom. But let me show you what we're going to do. First, second, third, fourth. So you know what's going on. And you can decide which videos you want to watch and what you want to learn about. So stay tuned. So welcome to our hall bath. What are we going to do in this video? We are going to show you how to uninstall this sink and reinstall it. That'll include the drain and the water supply. Welcome back to My Two Good Hands video where we're remodeling our hall bathroom. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the sink out. The first things we want to do with this, if you look under here, you can see, and here, see there's valves. The valves are sometimes very tight to move, so you got to be careful with them. Get it to turn it in all the way. These valves are like all the way in, all the way out. So you just sit there and turn it so it's all the way in. And then once you get that snug, you come up here and open the water. See that no water comes out, and you know that one is off. Same thing with the other one. We do the same thing. That one came much easier. Just run that in all the way. Make sure it's tight. Open the water. You can see we got both water spigots open. No water's coming out. So this is off now. That'll enable us to take our feed lines off. So at this point, we've closed off both of these valves. And if you open one, you can hear the water come out. If I open that valve, see the water comes out up above. If I turn it off, the water's off. What we're going to do is leave it like that. Make sure that it doesn't drip any. We're going to go get a wrench that's this size so we can take these two hoses off of the valves. We're going to get a big wrench here. We're going to take this off the wall. We'll have to put a rag in here so that the sewer gas doesn't come back into the house. Once we do that, if you look up under here, right here, you'll see we've got some bolts. We get a wrench that'll unbolt it from the wall, and then we will pull it away, and the sink will be free, and we'll move it out to the other room. I'm going to start with taking the two water lines loose. You want to be careful with these. If you feel like you're putting pressure on the pipe too much here, you want to grab it. Try to hold it. You don't want to crack your pipe or bend your pipe. Now when you take this off, expect a little bit of water leakage because all the water that's up above. That's why we got a small towel. Lay that in there. Same thing with the other one now. We got to get this one off. Yeah, you see, you get a little more water from that one. Once those are free, you're good. Next thing to do is get this this fitting broke loose. You got a big pliers for that. Doesn't take much to turn that. Now there's going to be water in this part here, the P-trap. So you can expect to get some more water. What we're going to do right now is just loosen this a little bit. We're going to leave it connected. You're going to see that'll go in and out. So it'll be good to move that out. So now the next thing we have to do is way up under this sink here are bolts to hold it to the wall. We do have to get those out. So now our bowl, you can see this is moving. So we got to clear some things out of the way here so that we can actually remove the the sink from the wall. We're going to carefully move this away from the wall. And we got this coming loose. And we are carefully away from the wall here. We're going to have to plug this hole. So see, you've got a hole in the wall here now. Right there, you can smell the sewer gas come up. So what you want to do is roll up your rag, stuff your rag in there to stop the sewer gas from coming up. What we'll do is we'll go get some tape and put some tape over that. Go get the sink out of the room and move on to the next step.
Sorry, the audio track was lost. We will work the sink to the wall and get the drain hooked to the wall. We will pour some water down the drain to avoid sewer gas from entering the house. Then we bolt the sink to the wall. Careful not to crack the sink by over-tightening the bolts. Then we hook up the supply lines and open the valves. Then check for leaks.
Welcome to the My Two Good Hands videos on the redo of our hall bath. So we're going to show you how to do tile, we're going to show you how to do the hardboard, remove a sink, install a sink, remove a toilet, install a toilet, remove a door, install a door, cut off the door, do baseboard and trim. Stay tuned, watch the whole series. Each video is broke up on the channel. We'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video.